Hello Naila, I'm Fikri. I wanna ask you some question for my classmate. How will starting school later affect your ability to focus in class?
Ya bisa meningkatkan kefokusan dalam kelas karena kita bisa tidur lebih lama dan sarapan dengan makan makanan yang berkualitas terlebih dahulu di pagi hari.
Okay, thank you Naila.
Hello everyone, my name is Khalid Abdul Hakim Albarah.
My name is Khairul Imam Firmansyah.
Any question for Imam? Do you think later school start or makes morning less stressful for students?
In my opinion, benefit of a later school start are first better for sleep. Student brain are wired to sleep in later, and later start time allows them to get more sleep. Second, reduce morning rush. With more time in the morning, student can enjoy a more relaxed space and reduce stress and anxiety.
Oh,
Hello, my name is Muhammad Fikri. I want to ask to Daddy his opinion. How do you think a later start time will impact student overall performance and engagement in class?
Baik, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sekaitan dengan pertanyaan tadi itu ada opini tentang dampak atau efek yang ditimbulkan dari masuk cepat, khususnya di SMA 10 gitu ya. Sebenarnya tentu ada dampak negatif dan ada positifnya. Kalau positifnya tentu siswa terlatih disiplin. Siswa yang sholat subuh pasti dia tidak akan terlambat datang ke sekolah karena jadwalnya sudah teragenda dengan baik. Tapi tentu mungkin yang perlu diperbaiki satu hal bahwa sekolah kita ini letaknya di jalan yang sangat ramai. Mungkin kita minta bantuan dari masyarakat untuk pengaturan lalu lintas, khususnya tentu pada saat jam-jam sibuk anak-anak masuk sekolah. Bagaimana tidak terjadi kemacetan. Pengalaman kita dari Jalan Situju itu butuh waktu 15 menit atau 10 menit karena macet, ada penurunan siswa dan jalurnya sangat padat ketika pagi hari. Tentu banyak anak-anak kita yang terlambat. Secara bagus sesungguhnya untuk mendidik disiplin bagi anak-anak kita. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you that your opinion.
Okay.
My name is Muhammad Irfan. I want to ask opinion from Mama. The question is, will you support local school in adjusting their start times? Why?
Kalau pendapat Mama yang sekolah jam siang tuh, Mama enggak setuju. Alasannya kalau siswa siang dia mau tidur, sudah itu dia terlambat terus bangunnya.
This morning, it is back to school for so many of you, which means the return of those dreaded early morning alarms, not just for kids, but all the parents as well. Brandy Smith explains hitting the snooze button could be beneficial for just about everyone.
Why are students not the only ones who benefit when schools start later? In the past few years, growing evidence suggests children, especially teenagers, benefit when school starts later. Even the CDC now strongly recommends that school not start any earlier than 8:30 a.m., citing the importance of adolescents getting at least 8 hours of sleep a night. Research shows around the age of 11, a child's natural biology shifts, so they're not as tired as early. That makes it difficult for them to fall asleep early enough to get that 8 hours of Z's. Now research shows shifting school start times later also benefits parents. National Jewish Health studied parents in a district that moved start times later for middle and high school students. Researchers found parents slept more when they didn't need to get kids up to school early. Experts noted not only the physical and mental health benefits of parents getting more sleep, but also the fact that it created less parent-child conflict, something any parent who has had to wake up a tired teen can relate to. Despite all this research, most districts have rejected the call to start later, citing parent work schedules and after-school activities. According to MedPage, before the pandemic, 93% of high schools and 87% of middle schools started before that recommended 8:30 a.m. time. With The Y, I'm Brandy Smith.